Coming over and looking at GC this morning, so the metals are playing awkward here. We took out the high where I had the wave 2 here. That was a hit on the 618 of this move down. Unfortunately, the pattern to the low, the final fifth, is unfolding as a diagonal, so it's going to be awkward. I think what we've got is an A, B, and this is just a C up. At the moment, we've just tapped the 764 retrace of this move down. Can go higher into this box. 1240.3 is as high as we want to see it. Take out 1246 and we're going to have to rethink this. So watching metals and miners carefully today, looking for it to come down, and we've got to get back below 1209 and ultimately 1196 in GC now. Day trading wise, we're just at the top blue line. There's a short trade if you wanted it on the push back down below it and retest, but up to you whether you take it or have taken it or not.